Hello, welcome to Yemi's Kitchen again. Today I'll be cooking Ewedu. Ewedu is jute leaf in English. Jute leaf, I've just seen it in English. Ewedu is a West African leafy soup. We eat it in Nigeria, the West part. I'm a Yoruba girl, and we eat this more than any tribe in Nigeria. How you do it, I've never seen the fresh one since I've been in the United States, but I buy this from the African store. Jute leaf is frozen, you defrost it and you blend it. I blended mine with some Elegusi. When I was blending, I put in the blender with a little bit of water, and that's what we're going to use. It's up to you. Some people like to cook it first before they blend it. I like to blend mine before I cook it. So the main ingredient is the main ingredient is the jute leaf. The ingredients that you're going to be needing for jute leaf is salt to taste. I put like a teaspoon of salt. Potash is optional. This potash is like a little bit of stone. You put it in the water, it will melt and soften the leaf. It's optional. If you don't have it, you can do it without it. I have the dawa, which is called the Ewedu, and it's called locust in English. A spoon of that. Then I have the crayfish, a spoon of the crayfish, grounded crayfish. Then I have just a little portion of herring, just for tasting. You don't have to do this with buka soup, but I just wanted to make it tasty and look better. Then I have a teaspoon and a half of chicken seasoning, okay, and I have the Elegusi, which is the melon, blended melon. All these are optional. The only thing you need actually is the salt, the potash, the locust, and you're done, and hot water. This you can do a different way. You can mix it with sauce, but the way I'm doing it, the way you eat it in buka, you get your carbohydrate, then you get your soup, and you get your stew. So let's go. I don't know if I should put the water that much. Let me reduce the water, because there's already water in the Ewedu itself. Okay, getting ready to cook the Ewedu. I put a little bit of water, and the potash is under. It's not sand, it's potash. It softens the leaves. So this is a blended Ewedu, and I'm gonna let that cook for a minute. Once it starts boiling, it looks so good already. And once it starts boiling, I start putting all the stuff in it. Okay, I put some water in the Elegusi, in the melon, because I want it to have long. You don't have to put this melon type, but I'm doing the one with the melon type because that's what you find in the buka. Okay, then I'm going to cook it and put it little by little. Okay, I put the Elegusi in it already. You can see I want to be in bowl. I'm going to put the dawa. Okay. My salt. That's a quarter spoon of salt. And I'm going to put half a spoon of the seasoned chicken seasoning, because I want to cut out the salt. Then we have the crayfish, a teaspoon of crayfish, the whitening, the dry herring, and that's let's eat the sweet, then we can taste it. Oh my god, this is tasty, yummy already. I can't wait to eat this. This is my traditional food from my own state where I came from. The Egbas I know for the lafun and your bayo. Ewedu, sometimes they call it soup that is drawy, and in Yoruba language is obe eyo. So this is fantastic. Nice outcome. This is what we desire. So this is what your Ewedu, this is what it looks like. Ewedu in Yoruba language means the leaf that is black. Okay, but it's very nutritious. This is all you need. You can eat it by itself, or you use this for your swallow. So let's serve this with my amala. Okay, all done. This will take you like, if you have the ingredients together, this should take you like maybe 30 minutes. If in the 30 minutes you're done, the most on the stove, maybe 25 to 30 minutes you're done. We finally come to an end of my video with my Buka series Ewedu with Elegusi. Yum, 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 yum. Hey, my tummy is yummy. I can't wait to eat this. Okay, I have presented this with by itself. The Ewedu by itself, okay? That's the one in the plate. And the other one you can, if you want to eat it, you can eat it with gari soup, which is the one, the gari soup. If you like, you can eat it with sauce. I made it with beef sauce. Okay, so I'm going to be sitting down eating my stuff with plantain. Come and eat it. The thing they sweet, where. Come and drop. Anyway, don't forget to like me. Follow me on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, on YouTube, and follow us on our website. Thank you for staying with us. God bless you. Don't forget, happiness is the choice that you make. Love life and believe that the cup is always half full. Stay blessed. Yemi's Kitchen. Love you.